Namaste to all my dear students. I welcome all of you in Antivirus YouTube चैनल। आज का वीडियो बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर के लिए है। इसमें हम फिजिक्स वर्कशॉप स्किल के 2 प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं। इसका जो ड्यूरेशन है वो 3 आवर्स का रहेगा। मैक्सिमम मार्क्स 50 हैं। कुल हमने 5 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने हैं एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज कंपल्सरी। तो कंपल्सरी क्वेश्चन 1 देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का ए पार्ट, व्हाट इज पॉजिटिव जीरो एरर इन वर्नियर स्केल। हमें पता है जीरो एरर का, व्हेन जीरो ऑफ वर्नियर स्केल इज टू द राइट ऑफ द जीरो ऑफ मेन स्केल, देन इट इज कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव जीरो एरर इन वर्नियर स्केल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का बी पार्ट, गिव फुल फॉर्म ऑफ EBW. EBW mean E stands for electron, B stand for beam and W stand for welding. Electron beam welding. And DFW. DF stands for diffusion and W again welding. DFW mean diffusion welding. Question number 1 C part, write the names of any 2 basic classes of lubricants. There are 4 classes of lubricants. Number 1 is oils, which may be mineral oils or natural oil. Number 2, greases. Number 3, solid lubricants. And number 4, graphite. So we have to enlist only 2 basic classes of lubricants out of any 4 classes. Then D part, the fill in the blanks is called foundation of the central lathe. इसमें आएगा bed, BED. E part, the usual dielectric in variable capacitor is. First option है polyester, second air, third paper and fourth electrolyte. Then right option is air. F part, what is deflection sensitivity of CRT? Deflection sensitivity of CRT is a ratio of spot deflection to applied voltage. CRT stands for cathode ray tube, which is used in CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope. Question number 1 G part, a voltmeter should have a resistance. First option 0, second very low, third very large and fourth none of these. Right answer is very high resistance. Third option is right. H part, write 2 examples of second order lever. You can enlist these examples. I part, what are supplementary units? You have done it in first chapter. J part, draw symbols of a capacitor and a diode. We can draw symbol of capacitor like this, parallel plate capacitor, and diode, 2 electrodes. This is P type and this is N type, like this. We have to just draw symbols, not circuit diagram. Question number 2, A part, what is a screw gauge? Explain the various parts of screw gauge. Give precautions to be taken care of while using the screw gauge. B part, explain the procedure to find height of an accessible object using a sextant. Question number 3, A part, write down the advantages, disadvantages and applications of casting process. Question number 3, B part, summarize the properties which directly influence the choice of a material during manufacturing of a high quality product. Question number 4, A part, explain the types of operations that can be performed with the drilling machine. Give important parameters related with drilling process. B part, differentiate between up milling and down milling. Question number 5, A part, what are the active and passive electronic components? Explain one of them. B part, what is soldering? Write about different types of tools used during soldering process. Question number 6, A part, write down the procedure to measure voltage using a multimeter. B part, how a galvanometer can be converted into an ammeter. Explain it with circuit diagram and mathematical approach. Question number 6, C part, draw a diagram to show switching action of a transistor. Question number 7, A part, what are different types of gears? Explain briefly any one of them using suitable diagram. And B part, what is a braking system? List different types of brakes. Give advantages and disadvantages of disc brakes. So these all questions you have to do. You have to do only 5 questions out of 7, and question number 1 is compulsory. The second question paper, again of 3 hours, maximum marks 50. We have to attempt only 5 questions. Question number 1 is compulsory. Question number 1, first part, convert 5 joules into ergs using dimensional analysis. Second part, in a micrometer screw gauge, the ratchet is used to option A, lock the spindle, B, correct the error, C, apply the correct pressure, D, turn the circular scale. Right option is C, apply the correct pressure. Third part, blanks is not a noble metal. Copper, silver, gold, platinum. So A option is right. Copper is not a noble metal, and rest of 3 metals are noble one. Fourth part, the angle of slanting of teeth in single files is 45 degree, B 60 degree, C 30 degree, D 120 degree. Right option is 60 degree. Fifth part, VLSI. V stand for very, L large, S scale, I integration. So VLSI stands for very large scale integration. Has electric components in the range of. So right option is C, from 1000 to 10,000. Sixth part, the most accurate device for measuring voltage is. All these 4 instruments are used to measure the voltage, but most accurate one is CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope. C option is correct option. Seventh part, brake lining is mainly consists of A, copper, B, cast iron, C, aluminium, D, asbestos. Right option is D, asbestos. Eighth part, which simple machine does a flagpole makes use of? A, lever, B, pulley, C, inclined plane, D, screw. Right option is B, pulley. Ninth part, draw circuit diagram of bridge rectifier. 10th part, what is malleability of a material? Question number 2, first part, write down the characteristics of measuring instrument. You have to enlist 5 or 6 main characteristics of any measuring instrument. Second part, what is a vernier system? Explain on what factors the vernier constant of a vernier system depend. Question number 3, first part, what are the different types of welding processes? Explain briefly about laser beam welding and friction welding. Second part, explain any two common welding defects. Question number 4, first part, give the main function of lubricants. Explain any two properties of lubricants. Second part, explain briefly about the following: A. Chisels, B. Hacksaw. Question number 5, first part, what is a timer circuit? Write basic components of a timer circuit. Its second part is, what is soldering? Explain the various steps involved in the process of soldering. Question number 6, first part, explain how a galvanometer can be converted into a voltmeter of a desired scale. Its second part is, what is a switch? Differentiate between switch and a relay. Explain briefly about reed relay. Question number 7, first part, what is a hydroelectric power station? Explain the various parts of hydropower plant. Give two advantages and two disadvantages of hydroelectric power station. Last part, draw a neat and labeled diagram of nuclear power plant. Name two fissionable materials used in nuclear reactors. So out of 7 questions, we have to attempt only 5 questions, and question number 1 is compulsory. This was all about today's lecture. Thanks for watching and listening. Thank you very much.